Hello everyone, today I have a mystery box from Beauty Bakerie. This, I already cut the tape and it on the inside it says so much cake, so little time. And the Loki's getting in the way. And on top there's a little thing here introducing mini moments multitasking trios for the face on the go. So I guess those are new. And then on the back it's best sellers menu, which are those. There's pink tissue paper here, and then pink squigglies. The first thing I'm pulling out is slightly dusty, but anyways, it's concealer brush. Not sure if I'm gonna keep this or not. Then we have a baking spray. This is what it looks like. If I can, there we go. Light's a little better. And it's just a makeup setting spray. And then the next thing is a liquid metallic lipstick. And I am not sure what color it is yet. And it is in Rosy Posy Lip Lip. It looks like has a little bit of separation there. And the next thing is a cream lipstick. These are very awkward to open. And this is in Royal Status. That's what it looks like. And the next thing I'm pulling out, and it is the last thing, is a carrot chai set. I probably didn't say that right, but it's right there. And it has a lollipop liner in black and 5 Cakepop lippies. And the lipsticks are minis. If I can get this open. There we go. I wasn't expecting this to be plastic, but it's styrofoam. But there are those. Here is the liquid eyeliner. All this stuff is slightly dusty. I don't know if it's because it's just old or been sitting in their warehouse or whatnot, but keep that in mind. And the first one is called Chalk Lava, and it is that color. Very pretty and is definitely my type of color. The lip whips weren't so much my colors, but that's fine. And this one is Peanut Butter Luster. Again, a color that I will wear, but it's very similar. They're probably all very similar since it came. Oh, they're not that too similar. Then the next one is Skinny Dip. This one. The next one is Funnel Cake. And the next one is Stony Ice. Don't know if I said that right. Here is that one. And since I knew there were going to be lip products in here, I didn't put any lipstick on, so I will be trying one of these. I will probably go in with the Chalk Lava one, because I like the darker colors the most. Move the box. Get a mirror because you cannot see in the viewfinder that well. But that is what Chalk Lava looks like. Very pretty. I'm not going to swatch that one on my hand since I put it on my lips. Chalk Lava is a soft matte, and the Peanut Butter Luster was a soft matte. The Skinny Dip is a cream. The Funnel Cake is a soft matte, and the Stony Ice is a cream. This one is Peanut Butter Luster. This one is Funnel Cake. This one is Bastani Ice. I guess I shouldn't have swatched this one because I'm not sure if I'll be wearing that one much. And the last of the bullet lipsticks is Skinny Dip. What it looks like. Then the Royal Status Cream Lip Whip. I'm going to swatch. Looks like this. And that is what it looks like. It's pretty sticky, but it has my favorite type of liquid lipstick, lip gloss applicators. Smells really good though. And then the Rosy Posy lip whip, which I believe this is the metallic one. And this is what it looks like. Yep, this is the metallic one. Okay, this went on much better. Like this one, I don't know whether it's just kind of old-ish or if it's just the formula, but these are the colors. I was hoping to get a face palette or an eyeshadow palette, but I saw Just Anne's unboxing of this, so I kind of figured it wouldn't be all that great. I think I saw some past ones and other people got face palettes and such, but I'm guessing since the COVID stuff and crap that they're just trying to get rid of lip products and such because people probably aren't wearing lipstick and such as much with having to wear masks. So that's all. I'm probably going to sell this on Mercari and possibly sell the brush on Mercari. Not sure if I'm going to do with the setting spray. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.